I'm sorry, but it is too late for you. My name is Paul Vazquez with Tax Lab, and you need to become an ethical millionaire. For the rest of you, it's too late. I'm sorry, you missed out. There are 5 days left for the business tax extension deadline for 2024, and our dance cards filled up. We are busy working with those clients who have had a hard time getting their paperwork in. That doesn't seem to change, but we're going to get those guys done. And because of that, you didn't get in before the deadline. So if you have a business tax return, you're going to have to call somebody else if you need it done before for the 2024 extension deadline. 5 days left. Sorry, you missed out. Now, if you have a 2024 personal income tax that hasn't been filed yet, we're probably not going to take you either. We may be booked up with the current clients we have. And another thing, we do our best to make sure we have a solid foundation of who you are, where you're at in life, and what tax strategies might be the best for you to employ for the current tax year. There's not much we can do about 2024. It's like whatever happened in 2024 happens in 2024. So what you'll probably want to do is that we will be launching after October 15th, because that's when the individual tax returns are done. We'll be launching after that our year-end consults. And on these year-end tax consults, what we want to do is take a look at your past tax returns, look at what's going on 2025, take a look at the tax law changes, see if there's anything you can't do before the end of 2025 that could get you some tax savings. So you can go ahead and contact us. I've moved that little link to click on to book an appointment. That gets you a 15 minutes with my assistant who can schedule you in for our year-end consult. So that's the only thing that's going to be available if you're not already one of our clients. And that's not going to be available till after October 15th. You're probably going to want to book that because I'm not working Christmas and New Year's. Sorry to So you have a short window to get your time booked. If you want to know how these tax law changes, how you can benefit from those in 2025. So you want to book that appointment. You need to send in those past tax returns so I can get a preview if you have a pay stub or something like that for this year. So I can get a preview so I can be ready to go, okay, you're probably going to qualify for this, this, and this, or not that. I'd rather have some time to make sure I know what you qualify for before we talk about it. So that way I can explain it. So that way you can do what you need to do before 2025's over to get the benefits of the tax law changes. So that's the only thing that's left available for you for 2025. Once again, once a year ends, the vast majority of your options regarding your tax situation for that year is gone. That's the difference between tax planning and tax evasion, right? Tax planning, you say, okay, what can I do from now until the end of the year to change my financial stars, to change my financial fates? Is there anything that the tax code reveals that can improve my financial life? It's in there. The majority of financial transactions, the taxes have gotten in there and told us what's going on with them and helps us kind of understand it, right? Because it tries to understand the financial products and financial endeavors of people, so it knows how to keep track of it and make sure you're not money laundering or anything like that. So if you play by the rules, there's a lot available for you. But your time is running out on 2025 already, right? We've got 1 quarter left, and that first 15 days we're not going to be talking to you about that. We're going to be scheduling appointments for after October 15th. So we're not even, I mean, we're probably not even going to be doing full on life tax plans, what we call the comprehensive consult. It's probably a little bit too late to really look at that. We might be able to do like a subdivide, right, where we do a year-end tax consult for those people until the holidays, and then because then you're really into tax season. I mean, really, the comprehensive consults you really want to do after April 15th, because that kind of gives us some leeway to really apply really big tax strategies and make life changes for the year, right? Because then once we get kind of after, it's that second quarter that really is our time to do stuff, second and third quarter. But even now that we're kind of at the end of this third quarter, it's like we've already got our clients scheduled in who we need to help. We want to grow, and I'm training new associates, new tax lab technicians. But what we do is not the simple stuff. Like, we do the simple stuff, but I mean, the level of knowledge, and we have to enrich your data. We take simple data and add value to it. We make it more powerful, and we need time to make your data more powerful, and have a bigger effect on your life. So once again, it's too late for you for 2024. Maybe you can go out there find your little TurboTax and get your job done that way with a little TurboTax for you. That's the you might be able to find one of these little shops, the Liberties and the H&R Blocks, and those folks. They might have a dungeon available to stick you in to get some things done. But we build kingdoms. We're not the dungeon, the factory of stamps and one size fits alls. We want real strategies that help real people in real situations. So sorry if this is hitting you a bit too hard, but you waited too long. We do these repairs where we might do past tax returns for people that you should have filed and now you're late, and you're just gonna have to suck it up and get it done. On the schedules of those who you can get a hold of who will help you with it. There is so much available for those people who play by the rules, that you're really kind of shooting yourself in the foot when you don't. Maybe some of you saw that during COVID, where if you'd filed taxes, they actually helped you. But if you were, somebody who was always trying to skirt the system, you're probably even under investigation now for trying to do the bad stuff. AI's coming. AI's coming to your local IRS, and they're going to be able to spot the fakers faster. Good luck out there. We're going to try to get as many people served as we can, but we're just limited because of the high level that we try to perform at for our clients. I wish you guys all the success. Lab.tax, click on the little band.